Can I pray the Asr when I'm resident but I'm traveling? Yes, you can, but you have to pray it full. Yeah, you full. You could pray it full because you're about to travel. Okay, you're allowed. But if you want to shorten, then you have to come out and leave your place of residence. So you could, because you're traveling, you could, say for example, you're traveling by plane. My journey is going to start at 4 o'clock, just before Asr. So can I combine Dhuhr and Asr at home? Yes. Pray them at home. Dhuhr, 4 rak'ah, and add to it the Asr. And that would be accepted because you know you're going to travel in the plane after 4 o'clock and you're going to be flying. So yes, you could combine whether you're traveling by plane, train, car, or even a camel. No. So if you combined the combination to cover, your prayer is accepted. So you combined because you're so tired, you didn't take it as as a habit, and somehow something had woken you up. Let's say news of something that couldn't make you up. No, you don't have to pray the Isha again. Khalas, you combined for a valid reason. If it was not for a valid reason, you have to repeat it on time. Fadal. How do you combine the prayers? You just 3 rak'ah Maghrib, and then after that you do 4 rak'ah Isha. If you're not a traveler, if you're a traveler, you do 2 rak'ah. You must do 2 rak'ah, okay? That's the combination. Barakallah. Fadal.
When you combine your prayers, you have to do the Iqamah as well.
Is this a question from the online? No. Okay, go on. Combine. Which one?
When you combine your prayers, you have to make the Iqamah for the second prayer.
If I make the combination, I had to make 1 adhan for both and Iqamah for each. 1 adhan for both and 1 Iqamah for each. So you have to do Iqamah for the Dhuhr, Iqamah for Asr. But the adhan is what? 1. You can't do the adhan of the Asr in the time of the Dhuhr. The Iqamah is for the Salah and the adhan is for the time. Do you understand that? The adhan is for the time and the Iqamah for the Salah. So the adhan, I could make the adhan the time of the Dhuhr. I can't make the adhan of the Asr and the Asr hasn't been started. But I could make the Iqamah of the Asr if I want to combine.